All right, for the last cocktail of our holiday season, this is going to be what I call a mistletoe mimosa. If you watch the last couple of videos where I call something mistletoe, my head goes orange and cranberry. So we're going to be doing a mimosa with orange and cranberry as our primary flavors. So let's go ahead and get started. We're actually going to shake this because we're adding a little bit more booze just to kind of, bring everything together. And really, Prosecco's not boozy enough. Let's just be honest. So in our small shaker, we're going to go with 2 ounces of Ocean Spray Diet Cranberry Juice. We're going to go with 1.5 ounces of Simply Light Orange Juice. We're going to add a 1/2 ounce of our grenadine. And just for that little kick that you're going to need dealing with your family during the holidays, little vodka. We're going to go with 1 ounce of vodka. Swoosh. Put that together, give it a good shake. Get yourselves a chilled champagne flute, because that's what mimosas go in. And we're going to add a little Prosecco. So we're going to add 4 ounces. If you watched my last video, put your bubbles at the bottom so it comes through the cocktail. And we're going to pour that cocktail right over the top of that. We're going to garnish that with a couple of fresh cranberries, and I'm throwing them on the bar. 3, let's go 4. And then an orange twist. What I did is I took the long side, the width side, the circumference side of the orange. Got my peeler, made a big line, cut that in half, and then just twist it around a metal straw, a bar spoon if you got that. Just twist it really, really tight so it holds a spiral. So I'm going to drop that spiral in there as well. And let's go ahead and, there we go. Cheers to mistletoe mimosa. That's so fucking good. Like I said, you can leave the vodka out, but I just don't think Prosecco itself is strong enough. So I'm a fan of ABV. I'm a big fan of having something with a higher ABV in general. So guys, make sure you try this one out. The mistletoe mimosa, absolutely delicious. If you're having a Christmas brunch or Christmas Eve brunch or like a March 3rd brunch, doesn't matter. This is a great mimosa to have at any point in time. Guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, because we're wrapping up my holiday videos and I've had great days so far, guys, and I have plenty more to come. See you later.